All right, so that's the road I was walking on, and then this new road comes to like a city of free campgrounds. Like, look at them all. You got a spot over there, and you got a little communal fireplace over there. Here, fires are not allowed right now, but maybe in the past or in the winter. People might have been here in the winter. And then we got a nice big pull-through spot there. And then we got rocks over here for the kids to play on. Like, that is a good time. And then we got, here's that water pipe that goes to nowhere. And we got another pull-through site, a little back-in site. Look at this. Holy moly. There's that water pipe that goes, golly. I might have to find the end of this water pipe. Maybe it ends up in some hot springs or something. Anyways, look at this. It's like literally a whole empty campground. It's a Friday. I can't believe that people are not here for free. It's ridiculous. I mean, I'm grateful to have all this privacy, but it's also perplexing.